In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize images for mobile in Squarespace. If you've ever opened your site on a phone and noticed an image feels a bit too large or dominates the screen, this quick adjustment will help you bring it back into balance so your content is easier to read and navigate. Start by opening the Squarespace editor and navigating to the page that contains the image you want to adjust. Once you're looking at that image in the editor, click the image itself. This selects the image block and highlights it so you can work with it directly. When the image is selected, you'll see a visible border appear around it. That border is your resizing control. Think of it as a frame you can gently push or pull to fine-tune how big the image appears on your site. With the image selected, use the border to resize the image. Click and drag the border inward to reduce the image size or outward to make it larger. As you drag, watch how the image scales in real time. Squarespace typically preserves your image's proportions as you resize, helping the photo stay undistorted while you find the right fit. Move slowly and make small adjustments until the image feels comfortable for a narrow, phone-sized layout. The goal is to keep the photo clear and impactful without overwhelming the text or buttons nearby. A few practical tips as you adjust. First, keep an eye on readability around the image. If your text wraps awkwardly or feels cramped, nudge the image a little smaller so there's breathable space on all sides. Second, avoid enlarging an image beyond its original quality. If it starts to look soft or pixelated, reduce the size slightly until it's crisp again. Third, be mindful of balance within the section. If the image sits beside a block of text, aim for a size that feels visually even, so visitors don't have to scroll too much before getting to the next important element. If you make a change you don't like, simply click the image again and adjust the border until it looks right. You can always step back a bit and try a different size to see what feels best. Remember, your objective is a smooth, scannable mobile experience. Headlines that remain easy to read, buttons that are easy to tap, and an image that enhances the message rather than overshadowing it. And that's all there is to it. Click the image, then use the border to resize it until it fits beautifully on mobile. Take a moment to fine-tune, and you're done.